Is this yours?
Yeah, yeah.
Oh, I'm jealous already.
Yeah, dude, I killed it. I'm so proud.
F you!
Wait, what's your side, dude? Can I be on this side?
Okay. Okay. I obviously was going to that side, but
I know. Do you want this side?
no, it's fine. There's a little note for us. Dear Kristen and Alia, welcome to the Tasty Press Tour Bed and Breakfast. For the next 30 minutes, we'd like to invite you to do something radical.
Whoa. Also, this seems like a radical thing might take place here. Take a break, relax, and enjoy breakfast in bed on us. Well, where are you?
It's weird because nobody wants to talk to us.
Simply complete the enclosed menu, settle in, and let our kitchen work its magic.
No request is too nostalgic, too over the top, or too oddly specific. Check us out in 30. Until then, make yourselves at home.
Tight. This is not like a disrespectful thing.
No, I just don't want to
I
wear
just
that.
don't like robes.
Use it as a pillow. Fake.
Dude, when they gave me my mic, I was like, I don't want to put it on my ankle. And now I'm like,
I know, I feel it.
That's for the kids at home.
They put mine in my ass, actually. Seemed like the safest bet. There's no pen. Oh, hello, unnamed person. Oh, these are great pens. Yeah. Where'd you grow up? She doesn't want it. Oh, here we are, having breakfast in bed together.
Getting back into it. No.
Guest name, Sean Connery. That's my pseudonym when I check into hotels.
I feel like I have this jersey that says Kurt on the back, and when I wear it, I go, yeah.
I'm Kurt. Okay, main course. See, breakfast is like, it's all about sides for me. You know? Is it supposed to be a surprise? Do you not want to know what's coming?
Well, I asked you like a week ago, and then I was like, don't tell me.
That's true. You were way
So
too excited.
I kind of want to see it come out.
Okay, well, I'll just write my little, okay.
Yeah, because then I would rather spend more time like eating the food than like talking about it.
Sure. I'm worried that they're not going to do the egg the way I want them to.
You're trying to tell me, and I'm like, don't
Stop.
do it.
I know. I'm like, what's the other thing that I wanted?
Special request.
Yes. 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 I think I got it. Wait.
It's nice that it's actually the morning too. Like we're not bull right now.
No, I'm starving.
We're having
Yeah,
breakfast.
I need food. Otherwise, I'm not gonna today. Breakfast is up.
Yeah.
Mr. Unknown Friend.
Oh, thanks, dude. She's cool. You know when you like really dig your like the person you're hanging with at a restaurant for a minute, and you're like, they're so nice.
Like the waiter.
God.
It's also because like we don't know so much about her.
I know, but then
The more we do,
she's withholding, and so you're like,
Yeah.
what?
Exactly.
What's
I
up?
like her. She starts talking too much, and then we're like, not so much.
Oh my God, totally. Because then you're like, shit. Now we're hanging, and I don't want
And
to.
they're like, you know, I'm an actor, actually.
I've gotten like actually some like pretty cool short films from people who have
From
been
waiters?
like, yeah, they're like, you want some bread? This thing is cool, and I'm like, maybe it is.
These are quite soft.
Yeah.
But are they clean? You know, these internet shows, you never know how clean things are. It feels like a porn could have been shot here.
That's why when I walked in, I was trying not to be like a creep, but I was like, what are we doing?
Oh my God, is this yours?
Yeah, yeah.
Oh, I'm jealous already.
Yeah, dude, I killed it. I'm so
Oh,
proud.
you!
And I knew they could like pull it off.
Wait,
'cause
I'm
they were like,
embarrassed. My
so
imagination
much.
was small.
Dude, do you like Japanese breakfast?
You did a full Japanese breakfast?
Yeah, because we're at a hotel, dude. Look at this place. We're like on
Well, I've
vacation.
never been to Japan. So. What's the
Dang.
juice?
It's a celery juice, because I was like, I know that I'm gonna be like,
Oh, I want some of that.
okay.
Here we go.
Dang, dang, dang. You went like, yeah, see, and
Yeah, I
I
went
was,
classic.
when they were like, you can do anything, I was like, don't say that to me, because it'll just be like, you need like so many more beds for that.
Honestly, pretty good though. Pretty good. Wow, this is exciting actually. Yeah, I was just like, put some nuts, honey, make it a little vibe.
So what'd you get, dude? I don't know
I'm
what that is.
wondering what the
It
big
looks like
reveal is. Oh, I said
Dang.
like a thin, grainy pancake.
Oh man.
Did it. Monsieur Butler, your little hat. I want you to be wearing that when you come back. So are you gonna share with me? Oh, this is perfect. See, they cut the little head. Hello. I will say, it's cold.
Yeah, come circumcised, you know? These little perfectly thin and crispy, like
Dude.
nutty ones, they really
These are warm.
listened to you, man.
I know. I was descriptive because there was this place in Venice I went to. I'll never remember where, but it was like that grainy ass, thin buckwheat something.
Yeah. Oh.
Yeah. Bon appetit.
Hey, Do you want to ask me what this is? Because it's like the best part.
Oh my God, you're right. I'm ashamed. I'm sorry. Let's show the kids at home. What is that?
It's a toaster strudel. Because I couldn't be like so fancy and old.
Wow,
Like,
that's a beautiful balance.
yeah, I just wanted to be like bang bang.
I don't think I've ever seen a toaster strudel in real life.
Have you never had one? Mm-mm. So this is for you.
I'm a little worried.
It also doesn't really look like a real one because they never give you this much frosting.
Is that like a Pop-Tart?
Yeah, but it's like a Pop-Tart like for people who are way
Cooler?
better in bed.
Or way better.
Pop-Tarts are kind of sad a little bit. And these are not sad at all. They're hot, they're juicy, they're way better.
I'm definitely gonna need some salt. Is there a little side of salt, Monsieur?
Dang.
Oh, she's carving it out of a rock. There she is. Oh no.
It's okay, you got this, you got this.
You're doing my request. I'm so sorry. Now this feels like this is like becoming like the Stanford project, you know, like we keep telling her to do things and it goes too far. We're like, eat this egg. She's like, I'm allergic. We're like, sorry, it's for the internet.
I feel on the internet right now, I will say. I'm gonna
feel
break
very
the
on the
fourth wall
internet.
right now,
Yeah.
and I'm gonna be like,
I feel like we're on a Japanese game show.
yeah. I'm like, I just dropped a pea.
I gotta say, whoever this chef is though.
Yeah. Bomb. Yeah, what's up? You
No,
want
I'm
some?
just like curious.
No, I know,
We'll
but-
taste it. Is that a little omelet though? Mm-hmm. A little
like a
Japanese omelet? Damn, I'm so basic. I'm like a basic bitch over here. Side of avocado.
Yeah, but I had this whole order times like 10, and then this was like one of the things on
was
it,
like
and then
a-
I went, everything else just like dropped off.
Yep. In Japan, have you been to like a fancy ass hotel and they bring you these kinds of things?
I have had Japanese breakfast over there in Japan.
Japan?
It's like,
Is it so good?
oh my God, it's just,
My dream.
no, it's like, it like makes you,
You know, a piece of fish in the morning.
I kind of feel
So
that
elegant.
way.
I know. I think it's really
Yeah.
high class. I ordered.
I mean, this I just did because I didn't want to seem like a loser. And because I'm a dirtbag. Like
and what's
this
this chamomile tea?
green tea, baby, come on, that goes together.
Wow.
I feel kind of weird, like,
Now we have to talk while we eat.
I don't know, what are we doing?
Just eating this delicious breakfast.
Yeah.
But will people find this entertaining? and
I know,
go
that's
see
the
our
thing, I'm
movie
like-
because of it. I don't know. But people are weird. There's a lot of whispering. They're like, I didn't think they would eat it like that.
He's directing.
They're like, the poison's gonna kick in any minute.
Wow, you're on fire.
The food's not poisoned, right, guys? Guys? Oh my God.
Yeah.
Tasty whole grain cereal. Oh right, there's games.
Oh,
Thank
hell
God
yeah.
you saved us.
I'm surprised neither of us got like cereal. I was definitely considering that.
I'm really good at crosswords. I don't know if you do that.
It's a really particular like ability.
Oh. Oh my God, another bougie coffee. Just in case this one didn't hold up.
Thank you so
We didn't
much.
know.
They're like, look
didn't know how
alive,
good
Kristen.
it would be."
Have some caffeine.
Double up.
Oh, wake the up.
God, I'm gonna be so dehydrated today. Okay. Cooked in an oven. 5 letters. What is it? Does this have to do with our careers?
Oh, are there any more instructions?
Let's not forget about our careers for 1 second. They're very important.
Oh, hold on a second. You made like blue cheese brownies? No.
Oh yeah, is it about the movie?
Is it about the movie?
Weed. 4 letters.
Blank pastry dough.
I'm really bad at this. Dinner carb served with butter? A roll? Yeah, we got a thumbs up.
Oh, cool.
They're like these.
Right, they're
morons.
straightforward.
Okay.
Right. Well, I think we were just
Roll.
thinking that they were because you do like crazy
roll.
crosswords and they're always having like sort of underneath
Yeah,
questions.
usually it's more like Greek mythology and the
Yes,
history
yes,
of
indeed. And that's usually I'm better
That-
at Greek mythology, but these questions,
dessert where the edges are the worst part.
I don't think there's any bad edge, dude.
That's that's true.
I'm
I think
really
getting too into
like way too literal with this boys, and I'm
Yeah.
like, what?
Seth, who voices a judgmental cat in The Wrong Girls. Seth Meyers. Nope, doesn't fit. Okay. A setting on your stovetop. 4 letters. Hot? No. What was your go-to Sunday morning cartoon as a kid, Kristen Stewart?
Oh yeah, this is better. Let's interview each other.
Yeah. So I can take a break and eat this pancake.
This crossword has demoralized me.
I know. Don't let it get to you.
Okay. I can't like separate the morning from like after school necessarily. I mean, Ren and Stimpy's my
Dude, that show's so good. I
loved
had it
it
on the
so
other
much
day
as
and
a kid.
I realized I couldn't show my kid because he's too little. And I was like, This show's crazy.
Yeah.
It like kind of scared me as a child.
It's so visceral.
I heard it's about a couple.
Oh, they're together?
They're together. Of
course.
They're like an old married gay couple.
Yeah.
That's
Yeah,
what
that
I
makes
thought.
sense. Like, no wonder I like that.
What breakfast would you make for
I'm
someone?
eating like pickles and being like, we're here.
Oh my
and
God.
you're eating pancakes and being like,
I'm also eating pickles, saying we're here.
you want a pickle? Honestly, have
I
a
do.
pickle. Get on my, which one?
I'm really impressed by your order, though, Kristen. What do you got? A butternut squash with like a?
It's not like I said all of these myself. Like you just go like Japanese
said-
breakfast because they just know what's up.
And you got a miso soup.
Yeah.
I feel like your digestion's gonna be in great shape today.
We have a lot of work ahead.
Yeah, we have a lot of food to eat on camera.
Roll it or bake it? Like, do you like to eat it or
Excuse me?
smoke it?
That felt sexual.
What's your Mount Rushmore
What are
of
they
comedy
implying?
movies?
My Mount Rushmore of comedy movies? Oh my God. Mount Rushmore is a location, right? In America.
You know, it's all those dudes.
With those dudes' heads.
which
Yeah.
is I don't want to. Yeah, so we don't like it that much then.
Yeah, I guess like, oh yeah.
I
it's
don't
the
not
ultimate.
like Mount Rushmore. Imagine that.
Watch yourself.
It's just all those towering motherfuckers. I'm not alone in that.
It would be weird to see it in real life, but it's like not on my list of go-to. I'm not like, oh, we gotta get to Mount Rushmore before we die, you know?
No,
I think I
also
could die
it's
on
like a really important like mountain that wasn't ours, and
Yeah.
let's not include this, but
Yeah, yeah.
you totally can.
God,
I don't
imagine
give a go ahead.
Native
but
Americans
they're
being
like,
like,
shut up.
They do it at this mountain.
This is good. Did you guys make the toaster strudel?
It's a straight up toaster strudel.
Really?
Wow.
They've
Leveled
changed.
up.
They've changed. I don't know if it's better or worse, man. But,
Just like life. Are things better? Yeah. Are they worse? Oh yeah. They're both. All right, Mount Rushmore comedy movie. Should we answer that? We don't have to. Like 4 movies. There's 4 guys, right?
oh right, I was interpreting that as like the best one, like the big, like, but no, like,
No, like what are 4 movies? They could have just asked that, but.
what's your Mount Rushmore of comedy movies? Yeah.
What about what breakfast would you make for someone the morning after you got out of jail or something?
Oh, cool.
Or the morning after you lost your house.
Yeah,
You
yeah.
know, heavy things where you're like, what am I gonna do?
Yeah, yeah.
I will have a good breakfast.
That's really sweet, dude.
Is that sweet?
Yeah, that's like so thoughtful. What would
Yeah.
you do?
I think I'm really good at making breakfast because I'm doing this kind of stuff. I'm just like putting things on plates, you know? Like I'm not like making anything crazy, but I can make a good wet scrambled egg.
Okay, it's soft.
It's so soft. Wait, we've done this
Jesus, every
before.
time you're like, wet scramble. Give me that wet scramble. I'm like, soft. Soft is nice.
Sorry, but someone's
Wet. I just want my eggs wet.
Yeah, gross.
Honestly,
What do you make for
toast, man. When you're home, like a raisin bread, like toast, or just like sourdough.
Yeah.
I think it's like I kind of forgot about toast for a while.
toast is great.
I know.
Yeah.
It's the best thing we've come up with by far. I think it's like,
How do you think it started? Someone was like, get that bread away from the fire. And they're like, wait.
do you smell that? Stop. Having said that, I also like doing like
You have to
really
have-
elaborate
For breakfast?
Yeah, like Christmas breakfast, like just being like, I
like,
need
what's
everything.
Ooh. What kind of coffee do you make?
I love the ritual, but like I feel like coffee for me is like I'm like doing a human impression. Like I'm like, yeah, coffee, that's cool. And then I feel like kind of weird after.
Because you're already so energized in the morning. You don't need it.
Yeah, morning.
I'm
good.
like not in a good mood if I don't
Oh.
have coffee.
Dude, if we woke up next to each other, it would be the worst.
Yeah, we'd be
like, hey, what's up?
And I'd been like, no, who are you? Yeah, remember that one time on set? I think I was like sad that we were rapping, but I took it out in a weird emotional way where I got really upset about not having a coffee that I wanted.
Oh, yeah.
Do you remember that? Now I look
was
back
like,
on it
oh,
and I
yeah,
was like,
stop.
oh, I was just sad that the movie was ending, but instead I was like, why can't anyone get me a nice coffee? It's the last day. I was sad.
I know.
And you were like, I'll get you a coffee.
Yeah. Yeah.
You made Maria go get me a nice coffee.
Yeah.
Okay, thank you. That's a wrap.
Oh my God.
That was cool. Thank you guys so much for feeding us. That was really nice.
Can I have my coffee? Wait, this feels, I don't like this.
I know. It's. I think maybe that's
is
their
part of the bit.
method. Yeah. I'm like, here, take my mic. My God, I'm leaving.
Just because I'm an actor, you think you could treat me like an animal? Can I get that little coffee though?